Hello, welcome to the Florida beach, Florida swamp, and there's a lot of mosquitoes around, so I'm going to be doing this, but for one breath. So instead of 4, 4, 4, 4, a 4 count on all cycles of the breath. For 1, we are doing 4 on the inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, holding at the top for 1, exhaling out, 1, 2, 3, 4, immediately inhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this breath is easier for beginners, or just when people maybe have more anxiety, or you can start with this breath when you're feeling more tense, and then switch over to the retention 4, 4, 4, 4 breath, square breathing. But on this, it's more of a circular breath. So inhaling, go ahead and do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, retain, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, immediately inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, what the fuck? So that's it, I gotta go. There's a lot of mosquitoes.